The little red string. What do I see here? I see a grandma crocheting something with the red string. And there is a cat playing with the red string. There is a plant on the windowsill. Outside of the window, we can see the sun, and then the moon. And the next day, her two grandchildren come to play, a boy and a girl. The cat is playing with the red string. The boy and girl are laughing. They play cat's cradle with the little red string. Cat's cradle is a game that you play with string using your hands. The two children play outside. There is a big tree, and the boy is holding a balloon that is tied with the little red string. We see a pair of glasses on the table. Someone ties the little red string around one of the arms of the glasses. We see the glasses tied around the neck of the children's grandfather. And the cat plays on the shelf. The two children are making drawings and wrapping a gift with the little red string. The two children are putting up decorations, and the cat is hanging off the decorations. The whole family gets together while the cat plays with the little red string, and the baby wears a hat made from the red string. We see a grandmother, a mother, the son, the daughter, the father holding the baby, and a grandfather and the little cat.